Gary Wang-Chien, a representative of the United Nations Association of China, said on Wednesday that 3 years since the implementation of the national security law, Hong Kong has restored stability and featured effective governance. The youth from the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region made the remarks online at the 52nd session of the UN Human Rights Council.
National security law has played a pivotal role in enabling Hong Kong to move from chaos to stability and prosperity without compromising the protection of human rights. In 2021, according to the World Bank, Hong Kong's rule of law percentile ranking was above 90%.
He added that with Hong Kong's unique strengths and staunch support of the Chinese central government, global talents and companies are moving to Hong Kong.
Sports and cultural events are making a comeback. Tourism is reviving. New business opportunities are emerging. Hong Kong is integrating with national development and rolling back to the forefront of the global stage.